Let the jock not moving. Okay, right now straight. The jock not moving. Okay, leave it there and put in the pieces. Okay. Right now, move the pieces. Move pieces up. Okay. And now move the tool to 0, 0. Okay. Go down. Okay. 0. Move to Z, 0. Okay, relative 0, 0. And then now the jock straight ready. And now turn the marker line up with the tip of insert. Turn by hand, line up. Okay, they line up ready. The tip insert line up the line. Okay. And now clamp the jock. Jock the pieces. Clamp this one. Okay. Bring it up a check. The line of the jock not moving. Right here, straight. The jock is good. Right now the marker good. The marker with the point insert line up with the marker. Okay, then I'm good. And we back up set about 30 thou and run slowly and line up. Okay. Đó vậy xong rồi. Vậy lay up cái fast thôi. Yeah. This the piece is jagger. See it's jagger a lot. Okay, right now find the stack point. See, hit the stack point. Get the marker. Mark right on the stack point here. Stack point. More on the face. Okay, put in. Line up that mark with the tool. Relative 0 U origin 0 W origin. When we put in the new pieces, you have to turn the tool right on relative 0 U 0 W 0. Okay, right now move out. Move 12. We're on the jock here. Don't move the truck. That's why you have to mark the truck. Lie here. The truck here and the bottom here. The same line. Đấy, otherwise you move, see? Move different. That's why you have to put the chuck. Mark on the top, mark on the bottom. Đấy. Otherwise you move it different. When you put in new pieces, they have put this one line up, this one, this line left, this one. Okay. And now take out the pieces. Here the tip. Line up with the line here. Okay. See this one, the end of the thread. Draw the line. Draw a line on the face here. The face. Turn it. And get the threading, go down on the tip here, tip insert. Okay, from there, see, lay up the tip insert here. The tip insert straight with the line. See it? Yeah. See, this is the tip insert here, and line up with the line, the marker. Okay, line up, and go here, and go to the. Okay. How to change the threading? First, you have to look the stack up the thread to here. Okay, this is the stack of the thread to here. Okay, this is stack of the thread. Okay. See, right here, this point, the start of the thread, we get the pen and make a marker. And from there, her.
Đây là phải D5.
Đây là nghĩa gì?
Đây là cái reader, nó pick up cái reader conversation đó.
Đúng rồi, hẹn giờ lo phải rồi.
D5 là của anh ta đủ mà tại sao nó cho nó D4?
Sao trên đủ mới trên D4 gì?
Để tôi coi đủ má hay là nó làm đủ má cái. Để tôi bấm lại D4 này đủ má, coi cái program nó nói cái gì. Đủ má, thằng này nó làm program. Đủ má, tại sao nó để D4 lên là nó mẹ.
Đó, giờ để cái này vào offset không?
D5 ở đây nè, nó có rồi nè, ok.
Bỏ vô rồi.
Nó cũng có rồi, tại sao nó không đi?
Quay.